SparkMES, an MES accelerator for ignition. Welcome to this demonstration of the SparkMES Scheduling Package. In this demo, I'll walk you through how the scheduling package helps you create, manage, and adjust production schedules in real time within a manufacturing environment. At its core, scheduling answers a few critical questions. When will this order be complete? What order should we produce parts in? Can we meet new or changing demand? The SparkMES Scheduling Package is designed to give you visibility and control over those decisions. There are two types of schedules we can manage: shift scheduling and order scheduling. Let's start with shift schedules. Inside the configuration workstation, I can define what a typical week looks like for each shift. This becomes our base schedule. But production rarely follows a perfect template. Overtime, unexpected downtime, or increased demand can all require adjustments. With the scheduling package, I can make those changes in real time and immediately see them reflected in the system. Here, I can see all configured schedules along with their current shift assignments. These were generated from our base rules. But let's say we need to work Saturday this week due to earlier setbacks. Right now, no shift is scheduled for Saturday. I can simply click the plus icon, enter the shift name, define the start and end times, and select which schedule it applies to. Once I hit save, the shift appears instantly. And if I need to adjust the timing, I can just drag the bar to update it. The second scheduling mode is order scheduling. On the left bar, we can see all the orders that have been either received from the ERP or generated by the SparkMES Track and Trace package. I can see the status of that order as well as whether it has been scheduled or not. If I want to schedule an order, I can just click the schedule text. This will open the side dock and pre-populate some information for me, such as the order number, cycle time, and quantity. Now, the scheduling package of SparkMES is not a fully automated scheduling tool, but it can provide some context and suggestions. I can manually enter my start and end date, or I can choose the routes I have defined in Track and Trace and see the suggestions it gives for when I should schedule the order at a location. If I am happy with the schedule, then I can hit this calendar icon and it will automatically populate the start and end date. Then, by hitting save, you will see it get added to the schedule. Now, if you remember, there was also a second location that this needed to be scheduled at. If I click schedule again, then I can click on the second schedule button to set the start date, end date, and location of that second step in the process. I can then hit save and you'll see the bar get added. Once again, if we then wanted to change the times for this order, we could just drag the bar around. Once an order is on the schedule, a bar appears to show how many parts have been produced against that order. This allows us to more easily see if we are ahead, behind, or on track. Note that this bar will only populate if used in conjunction with the OEE or Track and Trace. Finally, either schedule mode allows for scheduling breaks that cause a pause in production. These will automatically count as planned downtime for OEE, and all orders will automatically be scheduled around the break. This is just a brief overview of the features and capabilities of the Spark Scheduling Package. For more information, visit sparkmes.io.